Hello, good evening to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can download and install Roblox app on your Windows 11 laptop. So this is on my Windows 11 and see here right on my Windows you can click on this one Windows logo key, and here you can just search for Microsoft Store here. See here, if you observe there is an option called Microsoft Store. You need to double tap on this. So this opens Microsoft Store where we can get a lot of apps, games, movies and more. So out of these, I'll just filter some free available games to download and play. So out of which Roblox is one game which has the version of paid version and also the free version. I'll show you. Just scroll down and you'll see something like best selling games, and under this there is an option called top free games. So in this you will find just I'll tap on this so that it will load all the top free games available, and out of which I just click on this Roblox and see here there will be option called install here, download and install, so that you need to tap on that. So once you tap on that, it gets downloaded and installed on your computer. Once you're done with that, you can click on play so that it loads the game and you can play it right on your Windows 11 laptop. And before that, if you have a Roblox account already created, you can directly sign in, or you need to sign up. The process means you need to create the account on Roblox. So if anyone don't know how to create Roblox account, I already did a tutorial video on that. What I'll do is I'll drop the link in the description. You can go through that. So when you click on play, this is the screen what you will be shown on Roblox, and here there are lot more games to play, so you can choose which game to play here. Yeah, see here, in any of these games you can play. You can click on just this one, this play button, and you can enter into this game. You enter into the game, this is how it looks. You can play. Yeah, so this is how you can play Roblox on your Windows 11 laptop. If you feel this is helpful, please do hit a like and share it to your friends. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.